How are you doing today? I'm sure you must be doing great. So here I am with you to talk about the most wanted yet not so explored idea of cooking yummylicious food without oil. Yes, no oil cooking. Sounds confusing and doubtful, right? I understand. Well, when I was a kid, my mom always told me the more you add oil to your masalas while cooking, the better your food would taste. No doubt she is a superb cook, but not so healthy as we all know. You know what? Since childhood, I have this weird problem of being a rebel in anything and everything. So, when my mom said you should use more oil in your cooking, my rebel bone tickled and forced me to do exact opposite. And I kept on trying cooking something or the other with considerably less amount of oil, what she always told. Yes, you are thinking it right. I failed miserably. But I learned what did not work. Then came a day when my food-loving father was diagnosed with cholesterol and had to go through 2 angiography, and trust me, I was scared. Doctor said, you must considerably reduce the intake of your oil in food and consider eating blank food. But my dad was absolutely not ready for that, as he always says. We live for eating, not eat for living. And I had a challenge in front of me. I cooked, and came out with recipes finally, which had no compromise in taste, yet cooked with minimal to no amount of oil. Yes, my dad was very happy, and I too. I know, in today's world, when we are having so many health issues at an early age, and when doctors are shouting and crying to make people understand to avoid oil as much as possible, still we fail. I know, it's absolutely not possible for everyone to eat bland food and develop taste of eating only boiled veggies and bland soups and live on fruits. So here I am to share my magic recipes of cooking yummylicious food without compromising on your taste buds. In this course, you will learn both vegetarian as well as non-vegetarian recipes like paneer tikka, potato wedges, grilled salmon, oven fried chicken, spicy chicken curry, along with Indian day-to-day curries like chole, matar paneer, shahi paneer, and many more. So, this is my kitchen, and you will be learning your life-changing dishes over here. I will look forward to your participation in changing your own life to create a better and healthier you.